Microsoft spent $7.5 billion to buy GitHub. Then their own AI product helped break it so badly they had to call Amazon for help. February 2026, GitHub Actions goes down, then Copilot, then CodeQL, then Pages. Codespaces hits a 90% failure rate across Europe and Asia for 9 straight hours, 37 incidents in 1 month, the worst month in GitHub's history. GitHub is where developers store their code. Almost every tech company on the planet uses it. If you've ever installed an app, some part of it probably lived on GitHub at some point. In 2025, the platform processed 1 billion commits for the entire year. That was a record. By April 2026, GitHub was processing 275 million commits per week. The annualized pace 14 billion, 14 times more than the year before. The source was AI coding agents. Cursor, Claude Code, Copilot, Devin, and dozens more. These tools generate code around the clock. A single agent account can push hundreds of commits, open dozens of pull requests, and burn thousands of compute minutes in one afternoon. GitHub CTO admitted they started planning for 10 times the capacity in October 2025. By February, they realized they needed 30 times. 257 incidents in 12 months. GitHub Actions alone went down 57 times. In April, a merge queue regression silently reverted commits across the platform. 2,800 pull requests out of 4 million merged that day, just gone. Developers opened their repos and found code they'd shipped last week had vanished. No warning, no error message. The merge queue had quietly undone it. Mitchell Hashimoto, co-founder of HashiCorp, creator of Terraform and Vagrant, kept a journal. He marked an X for every day a GitHub outage blocked his work. Almost every day had an X. He pulled his 57,000 star project off the platform and wrote 5 words: no longer a place for serious work. GitHub COO published a response. They're rewriting critical paths from Ruby to Go and isolating services so one failure can't cascade, but the path that stands out, they're bringing in AWS. Microsoft's own cloud Azure cannot handle the load that Microsoft's own platform is generating, so they called Amazon. Cursor is already building its own GitHub alternative, and more are on the way. And one of the AI agents generating all that traffic? GitHub Copilot, Microsoft's own product, breaking Microsoft's own platform. Subscribe for more.